This is Nagarajan. Welcome back. Before we start the session, let me tell you something. Most of us are not still aware about relative locators provided by Selenium 4. So in today's session, let's learn about these relative locators above, below, to left of, to right of, and near. The good thing is, chaining is also possible. That is, we can combine more than one locators at a time. Let's get into the Eclipse right now. I've created this Java class relative locators test, and inside the before test annotation we have this method driver setup. WebDriver manager is being used here. We're just hitting the URL sourcedemo.com using driver.get, and at the end we are maximizing the window. These are all basic stuffs and we have seen this many times. Here I've written 7 different tests to show you about relative locators. I'll go over one by one. Before that, let me open up the page and show you. This is the page sourcedemo.com. Let's learn these friendly locators very easily. Nothing much too complex here. We have the username and password and the login button. At the bottom, we have these sections: accepted usernames and password for all users. This is to hold the username values and this is to hold the password value. So this is all about the page. Let's go back to Eclipse now. Let's see about verify below method. Driver.findElement by.css selected input hash username. This refers the username text box, and using with by.tag name of input dot below username text box. So this refers the password text box. As we know, the password is sitting below the username text box. So using relative locators, we are easily referring it. So this sends the secrets as value into the password text box. That's it. Same with the case for username also. Username text box is sitting above the password text box with by.tag name of input dot above password text that enters the username value. So before we see about to right of and to left of, let's go back to the page. Accepted username, standard user, logged out user, problem user. These are referring the login credentials. Let me inspect and show you. See this. So these sections are referring here, login credentials. Okay. And password for all users, this one, right? This is referring here, H4. This comes under div class equal to login password. That's what we are referring at the code level 2. See, in this verify to right of, right? Firstly, we are referring with div id equal to login credentials, and then driver.findElement with by.tag name of h4 to right of login credentials. I mean this section, the password for all users. See, we are performing the assertion for this particular text, password for all users. Likewise for to left of as well, accepted username text is, this is being placed to the left of the password class, login password. So far we have seen about below, above, to right of and to left of. Let's see about one more locator, near. It helps to find the element which is present at 50 pixels away from the specified element. The password text box is sitting near to the login button, right? So that is what we are referring here. Now we'll look at the chaining as well. It is also very simple. Look at this. Below the username, right of login credentials, that is referring password for all the users. We are combining more than one locators at a time with by.tag name of h4 dot below by.id of username. Likewise for to left of as well. By.tag name of h4 dot below this login button to left of login credentials. That refers accepted username text. Let's execute the script now. Run as test ng test. I think the test execution has started. It is opening up the sourcedemo.com page. Assertions are very simple. Let's see. See, all the assertions are passed. Verify below, above, to right of, to left of, near, relative locators, chaining 1 and 2. That's it. With this, I'm done for today. I believe you had learned something new today. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.